Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create table of contents in Word. It is very easy. In order to add the table of content, you just need to play with this heading option as you can see here. So how we can add the table of content? First just select the heading 1. In my case I am going to make this red text as heading 1. Just select the red text or whatever your heading 1, just select that. And once you select your heading 1, just press on heading 1 like this. So we have successfully converted our text into heading 1, and similarly we are going to name this chapter 2 as heading 1 again like this, and again we will do it for chapter 3. So this is how you can give heading, and now we are going to do this for heading 2. So this bold text I'm going to make it for heading 2. So I just have to select it like this and go for heading 2. Once you're done with headings, you need to add blank page, because on that page we are going to add our table of content. So in my case I'm going to add blank page over this page. So I have to click here and then go to insert tab. Here you need to click on blank page. So once you add the blank page, we need to add a table of content here. So how we can do that? Just go for references. Here we have to click on table of content, and here you can select whatever table of content you need to add. So for example I select this, and there you go, we have successfully added our table of content. And if you want to edit this table of content, you can just select like this, and whatever changes you want to make, you can just go for that. If you want to change the color, you can change the color as well. And similarly you can change your headings as well. Like if you want to make it bigger, you can go for that. If you want to change the color, you can do that as well. And later on you add anything in your file and make changes on your file, and you want to update the table, here you will see update table option. So you can update the table here as well. So this is how you can create table of contents in Word, and I hope this video helps you. Please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.